You can now nominate for the Saudi Arabia Cleaning, Waste Management, and Facility Management Awards in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Visit sacfmawards.com and select Nominate from the menu bar. Step 2. Create an account by providing basic information such as your name, contact number, and company details. Step 3. Fill out your nomination. Choose the category that best reflects your company or yourself, and don't forget, this is the most important part of the nomination. Here, you provide the jury with information about your achievements and highlights of why you deserve this award. Lastly, make sure you attach the documents required for jury reference and click Nominate. Your nomination has been submitted successfully. For further concerns, please visit our website and drop us an email. We will respond as soon as possible. Watch this space and follow our social media pages for more updates. We wish you the best of luck.